Yes! Tornado warning!
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Logan County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over southeastern Edmond or near Arcadia, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and half-dollar size hail. This is radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include eastern Edmond, Jones, Luther, Kearney, Tryon, Arcadia, Meridian, and Fallis. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 137 and 150. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather...
Yeah, guys, my first tornado warning. Oh, wait. Look at that. Alright, let's wait till it schools. Look at that. Right?